Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and I'm going to start this show off with a question. What's the best looking coupe you can buy for real money on the market today? Okay, but was your answer this one? This is a 2017 Mercedes-Benz E220D Coupe. And as usual, this isn't just your run-of-the-mill E-Class. This one comes with the AMG and Night package. On entering the car, you are greeted with this work of art, the AMG widescreen. The center console is something we've come to expect from the high-end Mercedes cars. Wood veneer and a lot of shiny chromey bits. In my opinion, the front seats in this car are very special. They are very comfortable, super supportive and fully electric. The back seats offer good seating space for two people. Boot space is what you would expect from an E-Class of this era. For me personally, I think it's adequate. Let's take a closer look at that AMG widescreen and what it looks like on startup. Right, let's get this baby on the road and see what she's all about. Everything about this car I like, and the minute you sit in the driver's seat, this car makes you feel like you're going somewhere special. It's the AMG packet, so AMG goodies in here, along with the AMG mats. More will be revealed in the video. Under the bonnet we have a 2-litre diesel powering the rear wheels, giving up 194 brake horsepower. With the 9G-tronic gearbox and that punchy diesel power, the ride is very, very smooth in this car, and you still feel like you've got enough juice to get you out of tricky situations. You get the full E-Class experience driving around in the 220, and you know when it was new it wasn't cheap, but you see where that money went. With keyless go, lane departure warning and parking assist, this car is fully loaded. And as you can see above my head, loads of sunlight getting into the car with AMG's panoramic glass roof. And while we're talking AMG extras, how about these 19-inch AMG bi-coloured twin spoke alloys? So if you're looking for a car to get you around town or maybe those long motorway journeys, the E-Class does the job with no problem. And if I take a quick look at their spec sheet, you can expect memory seats in this car, that beautiful AMG steering wheel, parking sensors front and back, and LED lights all round, and something else that's called brake cooling. Sounds like something straight out of their F1 engineering. Now this car is a diesel Euro 6, so that means that your tax is not going to be very expensive and your fuel consumption is going to be very good as well. So the only real big question you're going to need to ask yourself is, can you live with a rear-wheel drive car in the wintertime in Swedish climate? I truly believe that this Mercedes-Benz E220D Coupe is the very best looking car available to buy today. Now, if you feel that there are other coupes out there that can challenge it, then feel free to comment in the section below. The current date is June the 3rd, 2020. This car is currently for sale, and as usual, all the links are in the description. My day out with the Mercedes E-Class is coming to an end, but I've had an absolutely great time with this car, really loved it. And hopefully you enjoyed watching the show as well. So if you did, please consider to subscribe to the channel and give it a little like, and make sure you're back next week because we're going to have an auction special. We've got some really nice classic auction cars, so we're going to be featuring a few of those on the show. So until next time, thanks for watching, and I hope I see you all again very soon. Bye bye.